cut down some threaded rod and used a coupler to join it together with this stud that'll be used for this quick mini latch on my air breather. I also used the 2 nuts that was included in the kit to bind the stud. Looks nice and holds good. Much rather push down on a button than untighten a wing nut every time. My friend showed me how to check the engine's timing. Now I know how to do it on my own. Alright, the clamps are on the positive, negative, and spark plug number 1. Vacuum gauge in. I'll fire this back door. It is time. I do not like these bolts, so I'm getting rid of them. I like that so much better. I'm going to put some ceramic headers on. I pre-soaked the bolt heads in some PV blaster. I'll be holding off on installing the headers. As you see, this header goes straight down. A little tricky to see, but that doesn't go straight down. For now, I'll settle for just a little spray paint job. I'll need exhaust work done anyways, and I can get this and that done at the same time. I'll swap that raggedy thing out for this one, and I have the sending unit and the switch installed. Put a nice little paint job on it. I'm proud of that. And reusable gasket. Some new spark plug wires. Again, these are build your own type where I can cut to the length I need. The others are a little short, and I got some holders for them, but this may not work with my current headers, which I was planning on changing to my other ones, but that'll have to wait, so this may have to wait. I'll still probably be able to use these little brackets. For now, I can go back with my black cables and at least it not just be hanging wherever it feels freely. Like I thought the brackets wouldn't clear, I put the old spark plug wires back on for now. I'll call that a step closer to having a better engine bay.